All I'm trying to say is, I don't go out and sleep in dumpsters, and I don't go out and have affairs with chihuahuas and produce illegitimate litters.
First of all, it was a Chihuahua. First of all, it was a Yorkshire Terrier. First of all, it was a Chow Chow. First of all, it was a Chihuahua. Second of all, first of all, it was.
Hang on. I'm professional. Oh! You want to kill you? Then. Oh! Oh!
Don't do it, please.
Oh!
Don't do it!
Oh!
Don't do it. Please don't do it. Don't do it.
First of all, okay, it was a golden retriever and black lab mix. Second of all,
Very specific tastes.
first of all, it was a Labrador retriever. Second of all, you know, I wasn't the only dog. You know, I mean, there was another dog there. We were drunk. First of all,
I don't go out and sleep in dumpsters, and I certainly don't go out and have illegitimate affairs with illegitimate chihuahuas. That I didn't mean to say that. So, let's try it again.
first of all, it was a Chihuahua. Second of all, you know, we're not sure it was mine. Okay, first of all, it was an English setter. Second of all, she was sexy. First of all, it was a Chihuahua.
Oh. Ah. Ah.
What do you mean, why? I'm a fucking vegetarian for one. The next day I shit out a femur. Last night, I shit out a femur. A femur. And somebody's ball and socket joint. Yeah, and somebody's ball and socket joint. Christ, last time I woke up and shit out a femur. And somebody's ball and socket joint.
You said that. What's wrong with you?
I don't know. Why did you kick me in the balls with somebody else's foot?
Whoa. Wait a minute. I'm a werewolf. Werewolves get to do cool shit. It's gonna be like a boat car. It'll be like a boat, a half boat, and then it'll go in the water, and it'll be a car. Don't you want to see a robot mailman? I know you do.
And somebody's ball and socket joint. And their ball and socket joint. I shit out a femur.
It's a big bone.
A femur is like this long.
It's longer than that.
Well, this long.
It's huge.
It was a midget's femur.
Your femur is way longer than that.
I shit out a skull. A whole skull. Teeth and everything.
They have a lot.
Somebody's spinal column. I had to flush 3 times before I finished shitting. Does it work? Ah, you dickhead. Ow, you dickhead.
A toaster that toasts your bread. I already have that. Frying pan that cooks your eggs without a stove. Dinosaur car. Holograms that you can fuck.
Ow, you dickhead. Ow, you dickhead. Ow, you dickhead. What the hell was that for?
Of course it works. Don't be ridiculous. You stupid fuckhead. And then I realized something. I get to live forever. And that's badass. And you should really be happy about that. Don't you think? I'm gonna be there in the future. And they're gonna be shooting laser beams all over the place. It's gonna be rad. Rad. That word's coming back. Rod might be coming in too. I don't know.
Ow, you dickhead. You my after assholes.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You asshole. Ow, you dickhead.
See, you ruined it. That time I was fine. Fuck, man.
Ow, you dickhead.
Of course it works, you stupid piece of shit.
Ow, you dickhead.
Of course it works. Don't be a baby with stupid ideas.
So does it work? You're supposed to hit me. Ow, you dickhead.
Of course it works. God, you're like a stupid fucking idiot.
Oh. Wow. What do you mean, why? But does it work?
Don't be ridiculous. Of course it works.
No, man. No. 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 I'm gonna start. That's nasty, man. Clean this shit up, by the way. It smells like turpentine. It smells like Honey Nut Cheerios.
Smell it. It's you.
You smell it.
You smell it.
You smell it. Smells like breakfast cereal. It smells like old man piss.
Yeah.
Sorry.